When I first started getting into gardening and buying my own seeds, my mom was like, I have tons of seeds for you. She had been storing seeds since I was a little girl, and she had popcorn tins and all of these binders full of seeds, and they were all just, I was so excited to have so many seeds. But they were stored in plastic bags all mixed together. And although they were stored really well as far as in a dark, dry place, they weren't very organized. And every time I wanted to find a particular seed packet, I had to sort through multiple packs of seeds, and it just became very frustrating. So with all of that, I came up with these baseball card organizers in this binder and organized all of my seeds. Let me show you how. Okay, in this pink binder, I have washi tape, my extra plant markers, and then my little bags to help with seed saving and making sure that it's a true variety and not cross-pollinated. And then inside, all of the seeds for my vegetable garden, I have sorted it by type of seed and then by individual variety within those types. Trying to keep like foods together, like all my melons and squashes together, and then all of my root vegetables, and anything that doesn't fit into that category specifically. It's kind of just a couple pages of miscellaneous. And then I have my tomatoes. And this helps you, particularly with tomatoes, where they have so many different types and varieties and shapes. Within that, I organize them by like red tomatoes, and then different colored tomatoes like dark or striped, and then green tomatoes, and then after that I have all of my cherry tomato varieties. And next I have my peppers, and then we start getting into peas and beans. And then after that I have all of my brassicas. Large to fit in there, I just put into this front pocket here, or if a packet had split, or just, this is basically if they are too large to fit in here, they get put in the front here. Binder for my flower and my herb seeds. Again, just sorted by type. So it makes it really easy to find what you're looking for. And then towards the back here I have all of my different herbs. A lot of them are flowering plants, and I kind of ran out of room in my other one, so. If you're looking for a way to organize and store your seeds in a dry, cool place, I highly recommend these. I put them in the corner of my closet, and that keeps them nice and dark and cool. I've heard of people keeping them under their bed. Just, they're really compact, and it's really easy, and it's just all in one place to keep your seeds, and I highly recommend it. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.